Hey guys, it's Ash at the Cheeky Indian. Today we are going to be making one of my favourite salads, Jeera Potato salad. It's fast, fresh and flippin' tasty. You will love this one. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter at the Cheeky Indian. Hit like and subscribe to keep up to date with all things cheeky, and as ever, ingredients, links and more are below. Right, that's the science bit done. Let's crack on with this amazing salad. Grab yourself a medium-sized saucepan, heat it up and drop in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Let it heat up and then drop in half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Chop up 1 large mild chilli and drop that in. Let that sizzle for about 30 seconds. Next we're going to get 3 potatoes, cube them to about 1 inch cube. About 3 medium potatoes should be perfect. Give that a mix and then we're going to drop in half a teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to get half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Now give it all a good mix, make sure all the spice is mixed up with the oil and coats the outside of the spuds. You'll see how this ends up giving us a crispy outside and a fluffy inside. This looks perfect. Lid on, drop the heat and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Right, while that's cooking, let's hit the salad. So far I've put a bit of lettuce in, some chopped bell peppers, a couple of chopped radish, some finely chopped tomatoes and some chopped cucumber. Put in the juice of half or 1 lemon, depends how much you'd like. Drop in a little bit of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder for a bit of heat. Again with the cumin seeds, about 1/4 teaspoon. Next just tear up some coriander, cilantro, just throw it in there. For good measure we're going to put in 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Give everything a really good mix and there you have it, our simple chopped salad. So to add in a little bit of creaminess, we're going to chop up some buffalo mozzarella and some avocado. Right, quick check on the spuds. Look at that, crispy, spicy and hot potatoes. Let's get these on a plate. A dollop of your favourite creamy salad dressing tops this off nicely. A final squeeze of lemon before eating and we are done. And there you have it, our Jeera potato salad. Fast, fresh and flippin' tasty. I hope you enjoy making this one. Please leave your comments and suggestions below and let us know how your dish turns out. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you on the next recipe.